Use Siri without ever touching your side button.
Hey Siri.
First, using voice commands. Head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Here, you can tap on Talk and Type to Siri. But if you don't want to press the side button at all, just turn on Hey Siri and go through the setup process. It'll ask you to say a variety of sentences so Siri can recognize your voice. Once that's done, you can simply say, Hey Siri anytime, and Siri will pop right up.
Hey Siri.
You can also activate using Assistive Touch. Go back to the main settings screen and select Accessibility. From here, scroll down and tap on Touch. And then at the very top, select Assistive Touch. Go ahead and turn this on. You'll now see a little floating bubble appear on your screen. Just tap on it, and you'll find the Siri button inside. One tap, and Siri immediately pops up. No side button needed. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.